Hello folks, in Winter 26 we get to compare Salesforce Flow versions. This new functionality is going to be very useful. Now I'm in a record triggered flow that's checking the lead source, field value, and executing relevant actions. Now here under email it's gonna email, under web it's gonna create a task. So that's the flow version 1. And I have several versions of the same flow, and it eventually evolves to this 4th version where we have actually an additional action under the email branch, email path, which is create a task again. And I copied and pasted this create a task element over here. So let's compare. To do that, we're going to go under versions, compare, and then we're going to select which versions we're going to compare. Version 1 to version 4. And when I click on that, I'm going to see that email BDR has changed a connector and create a task lead source email. This is the new create a task element that I have added. Shows up as an added element. You can see added elements and change connectors. And here are the details. Not much detail here under the email BDR change connector, but under this new task, I'm going to see that there are a lot of changes because it's a brand new task element. It's going to think and it's going to report that all these field values are brand new changes for that. Enjoy, folks.